This is a video about how to find minor chords using half steps. Let's say we want to find the C minor chord. We start by finding our root note, which is the name of the chord. So since this is a C minor chord, I'm going to find C. C is my first note. For the next note, I have to count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use E flat. For my last note, you have to count 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C minor chord would be C, E flat, and G. Let's try the same thing on B minor. Okay. So for the B minor chord, the first note is always going to be the root of the chord. So since this is called the B minor chord, the root is B. Now we have to count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. See? And then from there, 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for that one, I'm going to use F sharp. For the last example, we'll do E flat minor. Okay. The root of the chord is going to be the name, which is E flat, so I know my first note is E flat. So E flat is going to be a black key. Anytime you have a sharp or a flat, it has to be a black key. From here, I'm going to count 3 half steps up. 1, 2, 3. G flat. And from G flat, I'm going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to find a minor chord, you find the root, then count 3 half steps, and then 4 half steps. This is opposite of what we did yesterday. When we worked yesterday, we did a major chord. A major chord has a different pattern. For a major chord, you count 4, then 3. For a minor chord, you do 3, then 4. It's a small difference, but when you play it on the keyboard, it's a huge difference to your ears. So go ahead and do your sheet on Google Classroom.